Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amir Mehdi. In this one we're gonna talk about is this a string an alphabet string. So you know what is alphabet string? Isn't a string that every character in it is from A to Z, nothing more, not even a white space, not even a slash, not a quotation, anything. So for this you have to write a string and write my string, and you store it in another variable, a dot is alpha, and you give no arguments and you simply print your variable called d. You got false. So this means not every character in your string is alpha. So this one is white space, so if we delete this one we're gonna get true. That was it. This video is over. If you like this channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So we're done. Till next one, peace.